Okay, y'all. This is KP, the Louisville research legend. I just messed up the video. I'm going to play it anyway. This one's a video of a state trooper not giving you all of the true incidents of the case. They look bad and evil, and they're going to lie about it. And so he got charged. The thing here says, let's see here. It says, you see that? Former KSP trooper accused of perjury. So that's what I have, and I'm going to try to get Weathers and the Attorney General, the Court of Appeal, and Ed Harness, to get the Officer Alex Thompson, badge number 7294, for perjury to the grand jury, saying that I did a burglary on November the 2nd of 2018, when at that time I have 2018, I received $4.2 million. So I received that in April of 18, even though the press conference was March the 12th. I didn't get your money. You don't get your money as soon as you hear the press conference. Long story short, that's what this episode is, and I'm going to play it for y'all now. This is what I do as far as the research. This is only for educational purpose only. I'm not a lawyer. I'm just showing you the facts of my case and similarities thereof. That's my disclaimer. Here we go.
Let me say it this way. I would not have taken this case without that video.
Attorney Chris Weiss represents Alex Hornback, who can be seen in this home surveillance video, being arrested by two troopers with the Kentucky State Police on a bench warrant in April of 2020. As you see, officers instruct Hornback to place his hands on the wall to be handcuffed as his parents watch close by. That's when things took a turn before troopers forced the man to the ground, and now former trooper Thomas Sartorski beat the man in the legs with an object.
I see the excessive use of force by officers,
report.
And
medical.
I mean, luckily there were no hospital bills from this.
No hospital bills.
That wasn't what sort of bothered me. What bothered me was there was no use of force report that was made.
What's worse, according to the attorney, is that former trooper Sartorski lied under oath about his actions that can clearly be seen on video.
When he was taken to the ground, did you use any force on him?
No.
Did you ever strike him
when you
with
can clearly
any
see
object?
that? That's a lie.
This contradiction has now prompted a charge of perjury against the former trooper, which carries up to 5 years in prison if convicted. According to the attorney, it was a lieutenant with KSP who actually filed the charges against Sartorski.
When you catch someone dead to rights like this,
dead to the right,
it does sort of undermine faith in the system.
It undermines the confidence in any part of the case.
I think it is a big deal when you catch someone in a lie like this, especially when they're a law enforcement officer, because frankly more is expected out of them.
Alex Thompson.
Now, two other troopers and a sergeant are also named in the lawsuit that remains ongoing. I'm Stefan Dingle.
That's my case, y'all. KP.